folks, welcome to DIY Buddy Guy. Today we're installing an intake carb heater on a Kohler generator. It's a really simple process. There's not much information online, but here's the part number for it, the intake carb heater. And if you look, the way to get at it is you take off the air filter cover, then you remove the nuts for the 4 studs that hold the plate to the carburetor. Then on the back side, you see this little hole back here. Right here, it's threaded. Great technology. There you go. It's a threaded hole in the back, which corresponds with the heating element itself. And then this is set up for 120 volts. The temperature which it opens and closes at. Again, here's the part number. And then Kohler's pretty cool about it. They have a 120 volt plug right there. So just want to test that, make sure it's hooked up before you plug in your intake heater. Thanks for watching.